This Target is massive. This one is on Sunset and Western. Traffic was crazy to get here, but we are here. So let's go. Yeah. Alright guys, this is a full-size Target. It's about 10 minutes away from where we live. So this one here would probably be the best bet if you are looking for a full Target. Like that has absolutely everything. The one that we go to is kind of like a small pop-up Target, but this one has everything. Hey guys, I feel like this Target is not bad at all. You do have a few other things surrounding it. You've got Pollo Campero, so good. And then you have the Hollywood sign right there, and the Griffith Observatory over there as well. So it's not bad. Burger King, 7-Eleven, a laundromat, H&R Block, Panda Express. I don't know that Chris and Eddie's. I haven't seen that one before. This one's not bad at all.
Like this your
Okay guys, so the prices for this chicken is $10.92, $10.18, $8.98, $8.70. The prices are not bad.
he does, right?
$7.90. Might as well get your own chicken and do it. Alright guys, the parking is free in this one, but as you can see, it's such a massive place. But the parking is free.
That they know what I'm feeling and they know what I have said. Maybe I'll get a good night's sleep.
All right, guys, a little context. The gentleman that's getting arrested was screaming inside the parking lot, and his whole face is busted up. Wait, why are they going to the security guard? Wow, he is bleeding from the face. Alright guys, so someone in the corner here was fighting with this guy here, and they're both bloodied up right now, so I can't see the guy over there in the corner, but it looks like it's pretty bad. Hey guys, so we are actually heading off to IKEA. Mr. Goggies is with us, so let's go. And that's 330. Oh, that cement one is nice. 330 as well. He's like, I love being here. He is. Yeah. Hey guys, look at this one right here. This is so freaking useful. you can just slide it in and slide it out. And it's only $34.99. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, so we are done here. We've got some few things that we wanted to get the last time, but we forgot to get them, so we got them today. And what's cool is that they have like an app where you can scan, kind of like scan and go, but you have to go through the checkout. Oh, what is this?
If you have a balcony.
Oh yes, if you have a balcony, that would be great. It's $200, and how much is this?
Probably I'll say 100. Oh, 220.
220.
So why is this 220?
Make it make sense. Is it
Literally.
all together? Alright guys, so we just came back from IKEA and we ended up getting a few of these things for our side desks. Obviously we have like a modular one. So I got this one, so did Richard, but I got this one. Alright guys, so I'm going to redo my side because I got this here, which I'm going to put the Funko on. But yes, I'm going to redo this, so let's see how it looks. I love Mike Posner. This song, I relate a lot to it. And you gotta love some Billy Joel. Out of all the songs, this one and Piano Man. Let me tell you. Alright guys, so this is my side. I ended up going with my bucket. I love this one. This just has like a few other cords. This one here is my printer, and then here is my book that I put all my photos in, and then my cameras, my sleeping pills, my glasses, a pen, me, Ozzy, and Richard, Legally Blonde, the Funko Elle with the bunny suit. I love this one because she's like, I'll show you how valuable Elle Woods can be. So I don't know, I just love that movie. I have all of them. I have the Sun and the with Bruiser, but this one's my favorite one because of just the way that the quote basically. And then I have my Instax wide 300 camera. I need to get some printers. It's my Fujifilm. I love this camera. It's just very bulky, but I love it. But yeah, this is how mine looks. And then obviously I've got that. I'm gonna get doors for this eventually, but for now I love this look. I know it's not your traditional, you know, side table or anything like that, but I don't know, me and Richard love it. That's his right there, and this one's mine right here. So we're heading to Target. Now Target is underground. It says each 15 minutes is $3. Daily maximum is $20. But it says CVS, LA Fitness, and Target is 1 hour free with validation. I think it says that LA Fitness is 2 hours, but CVS and Target is 1 hour free with validation. So we're good. Wait, is that a... Do they have any little candles? Might as well buy a candle.
So you can at least get one of them at least.
Alright, which one do you want to get? Like toilet paper and stuff, but I think it's up there. I love seeing them. I don't know where it's... It's not fun.
Yeah, there's no Blvd without me, so.
No, I didn't get this one. It's so funny. Alright guys, we are going home. We're gonna take back ways because Hollywood Boulevard, there's something going on. I think they're setting up for something. We might come for a walk later tonight just to see what they're doing. But yeah, we love living here. I don't know why, but we love the chaos. Okay, we love city life. We're both city people. I come from a big city in Sydney, and you know, funny enough, before I met Richard, like a couple of weeks before I met Richard, I was gonna move to Bondi Beach with my friend Bonnie. I was gonna rent out a room, and then I got sick, and then I met Richard. So I was this close from living literally right behind this convenience store, and then if you turned left, you'll see Bondi Beach. So I was this close. But I'll settle for Hollywood any day, any day. But there are so many apartments. This is for rent, bachelor, and single. We have to do that one.
Yeah.
There's so many
Bachelor.
areas and places that like you can't even find on apartments.com. Like there's just so many.